Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer, Divan Ososoko. So on this video right here, I'm going to show you guys how to apply a LUT, or how I applied a LUT to this image right here. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. And if this is your first time of watching my video, please subscribe to my channel to always be alert each time I drop a new video. So let's just get to it. So this was after I did my frequency separation on this image. This is how it was looking, but I want to give it a deep melanin skin tone. So what I'm going to do, I'll just come to the color lookup right here. So make sure once you hit your color lookup, this is how it's going to show. So I'll now come to this load 3D LUT. So after once I click load, this is actually how it's going to show, and all these are the LUT being built inside this Photoshop. So I'm not going to use any of this, so I'll just load mine, and make sure where you are saving your LUT is really accessible. So what I'm going to do, I'll just use this my exclusive melanin one, so I'll just use it on this image right here. So after doing this is not actually what I really wanted, but it's going to contribute. So I'll just hit on the selective tool, then I'll just right click, then I'll load my selection, because I just want this first phase of it to be added only on the subject. So I'm just going to load this selection, which is only for the subject. So after selecting this, I'm now going to add a mask to it. Sorry guys about that. So I'll just invert the mask, which I want it to be applied. Then after inverting on it, I want it. So it's now being applied only on the subject. So I'll now reduce the opacity to 35. I think 35 is okay, but I'm not really having that deep melanin skin tone which I wanted. So I'll now add another LUT to it. So I'll now come back here and click the color lookup, then I'll get to load 3D LUT. Then I'll now click on it again. So after clicking on it, I'll now load the second LUT of it. So clicking here, I'll now click on open. So it's actually going to load. So I think this looks really perfect and nice for the image. So but once you do yours and you see, once you add the LUT to it and it's actually too much, you can actually reduce the opacity. But to me, this is actually looking really nice. So you can now see this is the before of it and this is the after. I've actually created a melanin skin tone. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. So but for now, bye. See you in the next video.